What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kip Russell. I am a creator with over 850,000 social media followers, and I'm actually a social media head of social media at an agency where I help Fortune 100 brands, celebrities, small businesses run their social strategies, paid, organic, and video production. And I've been doing this for years. I actually have a music career where I 50 plus songs on TV, but I created this channel to really give you guys all of my knowledge and help kind of update people and find a source of like what's the most important things I need to focus on in social. What do I do to move the needle? As a creator with 850,000 followers, I created this channel to share like how you can, there's so much free money out there right now, like whether you have 2,000 followers or a million followers, what are the best ways to make money? As I'm figuring them out, and I'm on both sides of the coin. I'm actually contracting with influencers, right? And I'm also an influencer getting brand deals myself. So how do I do and then monetize that? How am I making money off social to protect my family and all those other good things? And I have a free PDF that's coming out very soon that's like literally every way you can monetize your social. And if you're at this channel, the fifth thing I want to do is just share a little bit more about my life, what I'm doing with that financial income that comes from side hustles and career and this to protect myself through ups and downs economically. I've been doing this since the MySpace days. All the things that are changing in social media, people need a source, and I want to help you that, provide value, educate, help small businesses, creators, marketing directors, different type of people. What do you need to pay attention to? There's so much going on. What do I need to focus on? And where is it going? Where's the emerging trends going? So that's what this channel is about. Just kind of recapping, latest social media strategies, how to monetize your social media as a creator, where to find deals, UGC, et cetera, and then sort of sharing more of how I approach that when I get my income. What do I do to protect real estate, all those other things. So just talking a lot, excited for this channel. I'm going to be posting basically, a couple times a week, as much as I can to get the word out. So I'm actually in my home studio office. Welcome. There's lots of me doing music shows, et cetera. So excited to just kind of talk to you guys, share as much information as I can, and build a relationship. Reach out, let me know if you need any more information, but I enjoy and appreciate anyone who's going to be following me on my journey. Right now it's 16. I can't wait to look at this in a year and see how many of you are following me, social media headlines and things like that. Later.